So we have to find fifth root of a positive number which is not a perfect square. How we can do that? We can do that by applying the concept of logarithms. Let us consider the number as n, which is fifth root of 0.00000, means 5 zeros are there and 165. So let us find the value of this number by concept of logarithms. Apply log to both sides. So log n is log of the number 0. There are 5 zeros in the line 165. Fifth root means to the power 1 by 5. So here we are applying the law of logarithm, that is log x to the power m is m log x. So this turns out to be 1/5 of log of this number, which we have to write in standard form. So standard form of this number is 1.65 into 10 to the power. So this 0 is shifted to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to the right. So 10 to the power minus 6. Now we are going to apply the next law of logarithm, that is log of product. Log of x into y is log x plus log y. So here x is 1.65, y is 10 to the power minus 6. Now we have 1/5 of log 1.65 plus log of 10 to the power minus 6. Since we know that log of x to the power m is m log x, we will have now 1/5 of log 1.65 plus minus 6 times log 10. And since log 10 is 1, the logarithms are to base 10. So log 10 is 1. We will have 1/5 of minus 6 plus log 1.65. Now we have to see for the logarithm table to find log of 1.65. To find log of 1.65, we have to search for 1.6 along the first column. Along the row, we have to chase for a number, and fifth column, we have to drop down. So search for 1.6 in the first column. So I'm putting the arrow in the first page where we have 1.6. So along this row, we have to search for the number. And fifth column. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth column. So from fifth column, we have to come down. So at this junction, we have a number 2175. So 2175. Log of a number which lies between 1 and 10 is a number which lies between 0 and 1. So log of a number should be a number that lies between 0 and 1. So log of that number is 0.2175. So log of 1.65 is 0.2175. Now 1 by 5 we will distribute over the bracket and divide minus 6 by 5 as well as 0.2175 by 5. Minus 6 by 5 is minus of 1.2, and this. Now to find the value of n, we have to apply anti-log to both the sides. As a result, at one point of time, we will get this number that I'm underlining as 10 to the power. So 10 to the power 1.2 we cannot find. So we have to write this in form of a whole number. For that, we will do a small arrangement of terms. So we will write minus 1.2. Let us subtract 0.8 and add 0.8 to convert minus 1.2 to a whole number or an integer. Then we have already 0.0435. Minus 1.2 minus 0.8 is minus 2, and 0.8 plus 0.0435 is 0.8435. Ultimately, this number we can write as 2 vinculum 8435, which is log n. Applying anti-log to both sides, we will get n as anti-log. Anti-log is always taken for the mantissa part. So anti-log of 0.8435 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now we will go to the anti-log table to find the value of 0.8435's anti-log. So we should find anti-log of 0.8435. So search for 8.35 row and third and fifth column. So 0.84 is not available in the first page, but in the second page 0.84 is available at the location where I'm putting a black colored arrow. This is 0.84. So we have to see for this column of numbers, and then third column. So along third column, drop down. At this junction, we have a number 6966. So 6966 plus, go for the fifth additional column, this one, and from here come down to the same row, and here we have a number 8. So 6966 plus 8, this turns out to be 6974. So anti-log of a number that lies between 0 and 1 should be a number that lies between 1 and 10. So we have to take the number anti-log of 0.8435 as 6.974. Anti-log of this number is 6.964 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now, do you remember that n was fifth root of the number 0.50165, and now we got n as this number. So what is the fifth root of this number? Fifth root of this number is, let us write this not in standard form, in usual form. So decimal will shift 2 places left, which in turn is 0.06964. So fifth root of 0.1234565 is 0.06964, and this is the answer. Hope this video is useful to you.